Hello my dear students, I am going to explain Unit 1, Lesson 3, Physical Quantities, Scalars and Vectors. At the beginning, what's meant by physical quantity? It is any quantity that can be determined and has a measuring unit. Physical quantity can be classified in two, scalars and vectors physical quantity. Number one, scalar physical quantity. It is a physical quantity that has magnitude only and has no direction, as distance, speed, mass, length, energy, time and temperature. While vector physical quantity, it is a physical quantity that has magnitude and direction, as displacement, velocity, weight, force and acceleration. In give reason question, give reason number one. Length and time are scalar physical quantity. The answer, because they have magnitude and has no direction. Give reason number two. Distance is a scalar quantity while displacement is a vector quantity. The answer, because distance is determined by magnitude only, while displacement is determined by magnitude and direction. Let's now know the differences between two very important physical quantities, which are distance and displacement. Let's start with the distance. Distance's definition: it is the actual length of the path of a moving object covered from the starting point to the ending point. To be determined, it needs magnitude only, and it is a scalar quantity. Its measuring units are meter or kilometer. Now, displacement. Displacement, it is a distance in a certain direction from the starting point to the ending point. To be determined, it needs magnitude and direction, and it is vector quantity, and its measuring units are meter or kilometer. Here we have a very important definition. Its name is amount of displacement, or how can I calculate displacement? It is the length of a shortest straight line between two positions, primary positions and final position. The displacement equals to the distance numerically when the object moves in a direct straight line in one direction. Now, how about to differentiate between speed and velocity? A speed definition: it is a distance covered in a unit of time, or the rate of change of the distance. And to be determined, it needs magnitude only. Speed from scalar quantity, and its measuring units are meter per second or kilometer per hour. While velocity, it is a displacement covered in a unit of time, or it is the rate of change of the displacement. To be determined, it needs magnitude and direction, and it is the vector quantity. Its measuring units are kilometer per hour or meter per second. Now we have some guidelines to solve the problems. We will start to talk about if the object moves in a straight line. Like these cases. In the first case, if the object starts to move from A to B, so the distance equals AB, while displacement equal AB in east direction. Number two, or the case number two, if the object starts to move from A to B, then the object returns back again to A. So the distance equal to AB, while the displacement equals 0, because the object returns back again to the starting point. In the third case, object moves from A to B to C. Distance equals AB plus BC, while displacement equal AC in southern east direction. The case number four, if the object starts to move from A to B to C to D, so the distance equal AB plus BC plus CD, while displacement equals AD in south direction. The last case for today, we have the object moves from A to B, then from B to C, then from C to D, then the object returns back again to A. Distance in this case equals AB plus BC plus CD plus DA, while displacement equals 0, because the object returns back again to the starting point. Thank you for your